Hi Sagittarius, welcome to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. Sagittarius, this is for the weekend of the 2nd to the 4th of October. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. Oops. So let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Sagittarius, before we put these cards down, I'm going to take an angel blessing card for you and see what my angels are going to bless you with. So my angels, what do you have for Sagittarius for the weekend, please? So the card which wants to show through is this one. Child, I think this is a weekend that you're supposed to see life from fresh eyes, Sagittarius. Be happy and start enjoying the small things in life, right? Don't take life as serious as Sagittarians normally do, I think. No, actually, Sagittarians are quite adventurous. But this weekend especially, be very, very playful and enjoy each second of your weekend, okay? And we're going to see why now. Let's see what the cards have in store for us. Sagittarius, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for all your love and support to the channel. And if you're new here, we welcome you to the Omkara family. We meet here weekly, monthly, weekends as well now. So if you enjoy the readings, do join us and be part of the Omkara family. We welcome you in. Page of Cups, bottom of my deck. So the first card I have for you here, Sagittarius, is the Knight of Pentacles. Four of Swords, in reverse though. Nine of Wands, Knight of Swords, Ace of Cups, and the Judgment card. It seems, Sagittarius, you've called judgment on someone. Things have really slowed down. Things were very restless maybe. People were not being on the same page here. There was a lot of defensive energy going on. A lot of people keeping it, themselves protected. Maybe there was a fight or, standing up for a fight because somebody was a person who was not very authentic. This person was rash and rude and would dip in and out of your life maybe, just came and created chaos in your life, I think, and left. So I think you stopped communication with this person and you took away your love. I think there was a judgment call made on this person, whoever this person was in your life, Sagittarius. So before I open the last three cards, Sagittarius, I'm going to clarify these cards and see what this is all about. So Spirit, what's this Knight of Pentacles? Knight of Pentacles for Sagittarius? Yeah, you felt, Sagittarius, somebody was going in the wrong direction, right? And the conversation wasn't that great, things were coming to a halt, and you just felt that this person is not being authentic, and you, I think, decided to bring justice to yourself and make a judgment call on this. It made you pretty restless for quite some time. There was a lot of restless energy here, but I think you decided to pick yourself up, Sagittarius. In true Sagittarian style, you picked yourself up and said, hey, listen, I am now not going to deal with anything unauthentic. My wishes don't come true the way this person is behaving. So I'm going to now put a halt to this situation altogether. So you picked up your big wand and say, hey, I'm creating a fortress around myself and don't, venture into my area kind of a thing. So, of course, there was a fight. There was a bit of a squabble regarding that as well. Knight of Swords, Spirit. Knight of Swords. No, Sagittarius, I think you have decided now to pull back your power. You're making plans to move for your own future now. You're not concerned with this person anymore, and you are now charging ahead to make plans and with your plans for a brighter future for yourself. I don't think there's much love left here in the situation, Sagittarius. You've realized that all the love that there was has been drained out. You feel, let karma do its thing. You've called the judgment call. I have the judgment card twice. So this is probably, a call that you've taken. It's like a judgment call that you've taken on this person and left this person to deal with their own karma now. You are no longer willing to spend any more time or attention on healing the situation anymore. So Spirit, why is the judgment card here for Sagittarius? Yeah, you're dropping this burden altogether. You're saying, I'm not dealing with this anymore. Now let the universe deal with it. Okay, I'm surrendering. I've tried and I've failed and I'm no longer going to take responsibility for this person's actions, it seems. Ace of Cups, Spirit, what's this Ace of Cups? So here you are. If you were stressed out, tense, worried, feeling in the mental prison, you are releasing all that, Sagittarius. You're taking back your love. There is nothing left here. You're deciding, I'm not going to be stressed anymore, and you're releasing all your stress and worry. Because here you are, the Empress, right? Empress is a card of fertility, abundance, forward movement, joy, progression. And that's the place you want to be in, Sagittarius. Whether you're a man or a woman, you have decided to claim back your power and only be there to nurture yourself now for your own self growth. This person wasn't bringing in any progression, and in fact, things were halting and stalling with them, creating trouble in your life. So let's see what's going to happen in the weekend, Sagittarius. So the first card I have here is the Two of Cups, the Empress in reverse, and the Death card in reverse. Yeah, I think this weekend, Sagittarius, the Two of Cups is in reverse, which means I think you have now pulled back your love from this person. You're going on your own journey this weekend, Sagittarius. You're taking a fresh, deeper faith into the future, and you have faith in the universe that the path forward, if done in faith, is going to be fabulous for you, and you will be supported by the universe, which of course you will be. You've realized there is no growth with this person anymore. You're taking back all your affection and love and carving out a new path for yourself, which is excellent. So Spirit, a card for the Empress, please. Yeah, this person is still waiting. This person is still waiting, still trying to create mischief, maybe wanting to reach out because they're not happy that now the Empress is in reverse for them and no longer giving them the nurturing and caring that maybe once you did, Sagittarius. So this person may try and come back and create mischief, but I think you're going to stand tall and you're going to protect yourself. Even if energetically they try and reach out to you, whether it's through your thoughts, whether it's through a text or a call, you're going to stand your ground. They don't want to shut this chapter out, Sagittarius, that's for sure. But oh my God, I have the Two of Cups in reverse twice. But even though they don't want to, lose out on this love, Sagittarius, I see you taking back your power this week and going for your wish fulfillment. Everything that makes you happy. Sagittarius, this weekend, you are this: the Fool, the Child, and the Nine of Cups. You are going to concentrate on yourself, on to new beginnings, and seeing life from a new perspective, which gives you happiness. Right? So have a beautiful weekend, Sagittarius, and I will see you now for your love readings soon. Till then, love and light. Namaste. Take care.